For those looking to buy a car in India, the process is a big one. From research to understanding the family's needs to finally putting their money on it. A big factor that has emerged in it is safety, and yes, we can say this without a shadow of doubt that this topic is extremely crucial to understand before making any decision.
So when a company tells us that there are more than 40 safety features in its car, we have to stop and take a look at it for sure, and of course, make you understand what they are all about.
Now, Volkswagen has always been a flag bearer when it comes to safety in the country. Now, with the changing times, it has not just adapted but pushed the bar higher for its competitors. The Taygun is as robust as it looks. The build quality is top-notch, and it's an export quality unit that the company is building here, with up to 95% local content.
So the Volkswagen Taygun gets a monocoque construction, and that means there's a bit of sturdiness to it. Even if you see that the door panels or even the bonnet, it all gets a good amount of weight to it. And that means there's less flex in the body panels when you're driving. And it also involves the fact that when you close it, it has a nice thud to it, very typical of European cars. But as I said earlier, this one is made in India.
Add to that the long list of safety features, and you'll understand that safety has been given a 360-degree coverage. There might be some of you who think that, well, all the fancy stuff will be provided in the top spec variant.
Frankly, I have nothing to say here because Volkswagen has let the Taygun do all the talking. It gets your normal dual front airbags and ABS with EBD, but it also gets electronic stability control. And that's a big deal because this feature prevents the car from skidding or even the driver losing control of the car. And that's a big deal. And that is especially good because that feature is standard.
Then you have the multi-collision brake system. Now this feature applies the brakes to prevent or mitigate a subsequent impact when a vehicle has been involved in a collision, so you come to a standstill.
Well, it is estimated that if all the cars got a feature like multi-collision brake, a lot of things could get better. Like 8% fatalities and 4% serious injuries could be addressed globally. And with that kind of estimation, you understand how important this feature is for a country like India.
The safety feature list meanwhile continues with traction control, brake assist, electronic differential lock, hydraulic brake boosting, rollover protection, brake disc wiping, hill hold assist, tire pressure monitoring system and more. Then there are ISOFIX child seat mounts, auto headlamps, auto wipers among others. You also get the rear view camera to help ease your mind when parking in tight spots. And don't forget, you get up to 6 airbags as well in the car.
But the one thing that really cheers us up is that this car gets 3-point seat belts for all its occupants, yes, including this middle seat. And that just shows that Volkswagen is moving up the ladder when it comes to safety features.
Volkswagen then has certainly upped the ante when it comes to safety with the new Taygun. And it's tough not to appreciate all that the SUV has to offer. The Taygun's safety mode is definitely on.